At 2:14 in the morning, a channel goes dark. That moment forces a decision, not which technology to buy, but which operating model runs the business. Distribution has multiplied faster than the systems managing it. Broadcasters now run satellite, cloud, OTT, and FAST at once through one of three operating models. Model 1. Build it yourself, often on cloud infrastructure like AWS Elemental. It offers the most control. The trade-off: the same small team that built it also answers the phone at 2 a.m. Model 2. Best of breed. A specialist vendor for playout, another for monitoring, another for satellite. When something breaks, the first question is which vendor owns it. Model 3 consolidates services under one managed partner. IKO Media Group's ecosystem centralizes playout, monitoring, OTT, FAST, and EPG into one portal, similar to what Globecast offers. One provider, one accountability line, and IKOMG says no added cost. The trade-off is dependency. Consolidating with one partner is, by definition, vendor lock-in, the top concern research cites when broadcasters centralize. No model is universally right. The fit depends on in-house talent, budget, and how many formats a broadcaster runs.